Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So I hope you all are doing well and good. So this video is going to be about how you can adjust your motorcycle chain. You can see you just need to lose the rear axle. So here goes the 22mm socket and here goes the 17mm ring spanner. You can see the adjusters are loose now, so you need to tighten the adjuster to ensure a proper slack between the chain and sprocket. So after you have adjusted the chain slack, you just need to tighten the axle bolt, and as you can see there is a 25 to 35mm play between the chain and the swing arm. So the last and final thing is you just need to torque your axle nut with the given torque specification of your motorcycle.